Hello guys, welcome to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is, what is the value 2 to the power 22 into 3 to the power 33? So let's see. Equals to 2 to the power 22 can be written as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 11 into 3 to the power 33 can be written as 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 11. This is written using the formula a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power m n equals to 2 to the power 2 will be 4 whole to the power 11 as it is into 3 to the power 3 is 27 and whole to the power 11 as it is. So there is one more formula, that is a to the power m into b to the power m equals to a b whole to the power m. Using this formula, we can write that 4 into 27 whole to the power 11 equals to 4 into 27 will be 108 whole to the power 11. So, this is the answer, guys. Thank you so much. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.